guys, welcome back to our channel Travel Appetite. Hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're enjoying the beautiful Bosphorus cruise views during sunset time. One of the most relaxing and must-do experiences in Istanbul. So this Bosphorus cruise is really special because it's the only place where Europe and Asia meet. We get to see stunning palaces, mosques and bridges, all from the water. Sunset time is honestly the best time to do this cruise. The weather is pleasant, the lighting is perfect for photos, and the views are just magical. Try to choose an evening or sunset cruise for the best experience. And sit on the upper deck if possible. The views are amazing. Carry a light jacket or shawl because it can get windy on the water. Also, keep your phone or camera fully charged. You'll want to capture everything. If you're short on time in Istanbul, this cruise covers a lot of landmarks in one go. Watching the city change colors as the sun goes down, with the sea breeze and soft music around, it's such a peaceful feeling. This cruise is perfect for families, couples, and even solo travelers. Yeah, friends, if you're visiting Istanbul, don't miss the Bosphorus Sunset Cruise. It's totally worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Travel Appetite. More amazing travel videos are coming your way. Until then, keep exploring and keep traveling with us.